Hello everyone! Get ready to join us on an incredible trip to Ja-Ela Water Park. We can't wait to share the excitement with you. Park is situated in Ja-Ela. The surrounding is amazing. This place is very nice. Tickets are reasonable and rides are fun. We can see normally all kind of villages. Clay pot making village leader home. In addition to these, having some valuable properties from ancient time. There are many historical information displayed in this form of art and also drama. Useful to school children for their knowledge and education. They have permission to keep and show some animals such as deer and ostrich. They should have taken very good care of this place. Animal trade are little dirty. Few birds like white peacock and a macaw. You can take a picture with macaw on your hand or shoulder. So many things to see. Animals, theme park, boat rides, dinosaur park and many more. In the dinosaur world, just some young dinosaur with sound effect. They have a very valuable property. This could have used in a better way. They got a small size plane which the visitors can go in and take photos. Overall, good for the price. Right. There is a little lake inside the place which uses for boat riding. I didn't go, but I go horse riding with my sister. There is no place to buy food. You shall bring your lunch when you are coming. The best part of the park, the Mayam Water Park. Just you can enjoy the time with kids. The pool, whirlpool, and children's play area. The staff is friendly and helpful. Good place to spend the time with kids. Especially kids will enjoy while learning something. A great time and to visit this place again really soon. Thank you. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.